Hey,
Welcome back, Knab.
my pleasure. So yeah, the exciting announcement that we have for everybody is we're announcing one technical grant and 5 quantum content grants. What is the purpose of these grants? Well, the purpose of these grants is to, as it says, we want to give the impetus to all the new ideas and bring them to fruition. So if you have, let's say, a new idea for making quantum compiler, or let's say a better error correcting scheme, then this grant may be for you. In order to get the details, you can go to github.com/qBraid's/microgrants, and then start working on your idea. What we want in the beginning is a 2 to 3 page proposal for the technical grant. And if you are thinking of applying as a single person, then that's fine. But we definitely recommend doing this as a team effort. And if you don't have people who could help you out, then we invite you to open issues on this repository and then invite people who could join you for the project. You can open an issue with the title of the project and a little bit of summary of what you're thinking of developing and ask for help. The deadline, submission deadlines, 15th November 2021 is when we expect all the proposals to be in, and prizes announcement will be on 15 December. We will be awarding $500 micro grant for the technical project, and then we are giving out $100 prizes for new content in quantum computing. And the idea for the content is, let's say you've taken a class and there's one topic that you absolutely love and you think you can do a better job at explaining than everyone else. Then come up with a write-up, explain it, make use of qBraid.com and publish a blog post. Eventually, our judges will go through all the submissions, and we will award 5 prizes for the content as well on 15 December. And what sort of content you can create? Well, it needs to be related to quantum computing, but other than that, you can go from quantum machine learning to finance to error correction. If you think you can explain teleportation better than everybody else, go for it. There's no restrictions on any of the content as long as it is associated with quantum computing. Again, there's some genuine rules and regulations. We require the content should be new, and it shouldn't be, and it should be an original creation. And yeah, we encourage you to use qBraid platform for all the development that you do. The qBraid team will be super happy to help you out in your efforts. We'll be happy to provide mentorship. Feel free to reach out, open issues, and we'll be happy to catch up and go through some technical details as well. Do we have any questions? Yes, grant size, I already announced, $500. And again, this will be a preliminary grant for, let's say, 3 to 4 months of development. And then if you keep doing great work, we'll be super happy to provide you free access to a lot of premium features at qBraid. And if the technical project goes to a very good stage, we'll be super happy to work with you to provide you access to quantum devices as well.
Yeah, and I think it's fair to note as well, Kanav, that this is the first effort between us to promote new research and just help people out at a small scale, and as we try to build the community and look forward to producing more events where we'll make hopefully larger announcements about more enablement for the general community. So pretty exciting news to be able to share at our first event, and hopefully some people that are joining us today will get involved. But definitely, I think the other thing we'd encourage is to let your colleagues know, or your fellow students, wherever you are, about this opportunity. And I'm sure we'll send out more in an email as well.